Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing the TPS Gold Scalper EA for MT4. We'll go through the MQL5 Marketplace page, examine the features highlighted by the developer, look at the recommended trading setup, review the historical testing information, and then discuss the overall results and important considerations before using the EA. So before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Looking at the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can immediately confirm that TPS Gold Scalper EA is an MT4 expert advisor developed by Gopal Goswami. The current version listed is version 1.4, updated on June 2nd, 2026. The purchase price is $599 while a 1-year rental option is available for $285. The product is presented as the high risk edition of TPS Gold Scalper EA, and the developer is very clear about the intended trading profile. This version is specifically designed for traders who are comfortable with higher levels of risk in pursuit of potentially larger returns. The recommended trading setup is also clearly stated on the page. The EA is designed for XAUUSD, uses the H1 time frame, and the recommended minimum equity is $1,000. These recommendations are important because they provide the primary context for evaluating any historical testing or performance information associated with the system. Okay, as we move further through the description, the developer explains that the EA is designed to capitalize on rapid price movements in the gold market. The focus is on identifying short-term trading opportunities and increasing trade activity within the market environment it was built for. One feature highlighted is dynamic lot sizing. According to the description, the EA can automatically adjust position sizes based on a predefined risk percentage. This means position sizing can adapt according to the trader's selected risk parameters rather than relying entirely on fixed lot sizes. The developer also emphasizes integrated risk management functionality. Built-in stop loss and take profit controls are included, allowing trades to be managed with predefined exit levels. While this does not eliminate risk, it does provide structured trade management within the system. Another feature mentioned is real-time monitoring. The EA is designed to provide visibility into trading activity, account balance, and account equity while it is operating. For traders running automated systems, having access to ongoing performance information can be useful when evaluating overall behavior. Customization is another area highlighted in the marketplace description. The developer states that traders can adjust settings according to their own preferences and risk tolerance. This flexibility may allow users to adapt the EA to different trading objectives while remaining within the framework provided by the software. The description also references market tested performance and notes that the EA has undergone testing under challenging market conditions. However, as always, any testing information should be viewed as historical analysis rather than an indication of future performance. Now, let us transition into the backtesting section. When reviewing historical testing performance, I always prefer to analyze results within the context of the recommended setup. In this case, that means focusing on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame, since those are the specific recommendations provided by the developer. All right. Now, I can see here that based on the provided images here, the EA seems to have generated over 2,900%, and okay, this shows different monthly gains. This was in 2019 and here was in 2021. All right, this was 2022, it was 2023. Now let us head over to, before we head over though, I don't know why 2020 was skipped. Okay, I don't want to assume anything negative, but maybe 2020 was, I'm just going to stop there. So let's head over to our strategy tester. We are testing the TPS Gold Scalper EA on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame, and we're using the every tick modeling. Okay, so I'm testing over the past 3 months, 22nd March to 22nd June 2026. And here from the report, initial deposit was $10,000, total net profit was negative 17.37. 805 trades we are taking, out of which 734 were profitable, giving us a 91.18% win rate. Despite the high win rate, the net profit was negative. That means that, risk to reward ratio was probably very bad, and of course I was right. 2.45 was the average profit, 25.54 was the average loss. So the risk to reward ratio is very bad. Now let's go turn on the visual so that we can also see the EA in action. All right. Remember that longer testing periods generally provide a broader and more reliable historical perspective because they expose a strategy to different market phases and volatility conditions. So I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. 3 months is actually not enough, to make a final say about the EA. Now, as we review the historical chart activity, it is useful to observe how the EA handled gold market movements during the tested period. Since the product description emphasizes active participation in short-term price fluctuations, the historical trade placements and management can help provide context around how the system responded to changing market conditions. Looking at the overall backtest results, it is important to remember that these figures represent historical testing performance only. All right. Historical results can be influenced by optimization choices, risk settings, lot sizing methods, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, and the specific market conditions present during the testing period. Because of these variables, traders should avoid assuming that historical performance will automatically translate into future results. Independent testing and optimization remain essential steps before considering any live deployment. So overall, the TPS Gold Scalper EA presents itself as a high-risk MT4 trading system focused on the gold market with dynamic lot sizing, built-in risk management tools, real-time monitoring capabilities, and customizable settings. As always, I recommend thoroughly testing the EA under your own conditions before making any trading decisions. All right. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.